Well, welcome back to the Rooster Garden. Thought I'd get out here and kind of show you what I done yesterday. And I'm going to continue doing today is planting some radishes. Why, Stormy? You want to be on camera? Is that what you want? You want to be on camera, Stormy? Huh? What? Talk to the camera. See it? Alright, so you got to get up here on camera. But somebody sent me a little garden helper when you plant little stuff in a raised beds out here, and really neat little thing they sent me, and when they see it they'll know who sent it. So but right now I'm gonna turn this thing around, show you the radishes I sowed in the trays in there and brought them out here and spread them apart inside the bed here. And then the other half is some radishes that was sent to me, and they're all starting to come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 rows of these other radishes. I got the Chinese greens, something that I can't pronounce that last word. So, what, Stormy? What, Stormy? What? You cold? Are you cold, baby? Huh? Baby cold? Huh? Wanna go back in the house? Huh? Yeah. So here we go. Of course, you know you can't. Not supposed to drive and video or talk on the phone or anything. But here's this little deal here. Oh, watch it. Stormy. Get down here without hurting myself. Dang. God, don't you eat that. See, trying to get in my deal here. But as you planting your little stuff right here, this little thing comes real handy. Just to roll it down in there. It's right on the bed at the back there. My larger version of it is right over there. So this person knows who sent this little thing to me. I've had it for a while and I just keep forgetting to come out here and play with it. So I thought this morning I'd come out here and show what I can do with it. Put my little plants on there and roll it down to the next hole. Now that's just a cute little deal. I highly appreciate it, ma'am. You always surprise me with something, and I'm going to surprise you back one of these days. I'm going to catch you totally off guard. But these radishes here is just a mixed variety I got there. And you can see over here, like I said, these are little Chinese green, something that I can't pronounce that last word, but you see I got 5 rows coming up there. I cover them up with plastic at nighttime. But this, right now, these things will come up and be ready for too long, a month or so, if I had to put anything else out here. And the other beds up here, I got some more radishes, some of my French breakfast. I got several of them. I want to try roasting them like these people are saying, and changing the flavor. So I want to put them up in this bed here and cover them back up so the kids won't be walking through them. It is a cool morning out here at the Rooster Garden. Can't wait for this garden to get going again this year. The other day I made a trade with my neighbor for this tin I'm going to put beside the greenhouse to shed that water, make it turn down beside the greenhouse. They're still going all the way across that way to that ditch. I got some on the backside back there, we'll do the same way. So, but that's what's going on this morning at the Rooster Garden. I've done some other things around here, I just haven't got it on video to show y'all. But I got radishes on the way. I got my other small plants, tomatoes and peppers and stuff on my growing table in here inside the greenhouse. Well, let me get right in here. She knows I'd open that door by herself. So, turn this thing around. As you can see, all my little tomatoes are getting some height to them. Looking pretty decent. And my Darsky peppers, up there they grow the Living Tradition Homestead. They're getting their second set of leaves, the true leaves. So I'm going to have plenty of tomatoes. My co-partner from Texas is going to come up and go to the shindig, I'm pretty sure. Everything goes good on her end. So there's some more peppers over here. So everything's going, so a little bit at a time. I think I'm trying to rush things. What I'm trying to do. These right here is that early Wakefield cabbage I started first. This is some kohlrabi. This pak choi, I'm gonna try to put it in a hydroponic system. A few of these, how they grow. There's more cabbage here that's sent to me. Dinosaur kale, the seeds that sent to me. And here's my poor lettuce. Poor lettuce. But all these these radishes in these trays right here. There's 35 holes in each tray. I pulled that one out just to take out there with my little truck, little side by side. That fell apart on me. So I'm gonna have quite a few radishes once I get them all out there in the raised beds out there to cook and eat and all that stuff first. And I've noticed on my peppers, I've already got some that are blooming out. Can y'all believe that? Already starting to put blooms on out here. This is a cayenne pepper plant. Already getting blooms on it. This weather's so crazy around here. And more of that peppers got blooms on them. So, yeah. I think I kind of want this stuff to get out in there, the garden, like it was before. And I'm just rushing things, I guess. So I'm sure a lot of y'all out there just itching to get out there and get some things going. So I know I sure am. People that sell starts, you know, probably at the Shindig and other places, you know, they're way ahead of mine. I probably hold on most of mine, get some of my co-partner in Texas when she comes up. Probably get some more down to the Senior Adult Center this year, like I've been doing the last 2 years. A lot of my extras I just take down there and give to them. So I still need to get me some cucumbers started. Several other plants get started. It won't be long. The weather straighten out, get the groundwork all done, be off to the races. But I'm gonna get off here and go in and feed my little kids. So y'all come on back and visit me, and I appreciate y'all coming back and watching my channel and spread the word about me. I don't do a whole lot around here yet, but I hope this year I'm going to be able to do a lot more. I'll let you know what I'm doing when it all starts coming together for me. So, but y'all have a super day, and come on back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.